Good morning, Raman. Good morning, Akshay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Thank you.
సిఏలే కదా 8832 అంటే ఉన్నది. నేను అది అనుకున్నా జెన్ అనుకున్నా. స్పీకర్
टाइम नहीं ना गड़बड़ है। आया देखो सूर्य चल गया
इसमें ढोटला।
हाँ
हाँ ठीक है।
तेरा अपने पास अच्छा है।
Ram Praveen sir, are you there?
Prakash, Ram Praveen has got a network problem. He's just joining.
Yes sir, sure sir.
Measures by the launch of the doses of
Good morning, Rajathan sir.
Good morning to all, sir. Hi, sir.
Good morning, members of the company. Hope you and your families are safe and healthy and are doing well. I, C.S. Surya Prakash from Secretarial Department of the company, I'm pleased to welcome you all to this 26th Annual General Meeting of Dodla Dairy Limited. In the view of prevailing COVID-19 pandemic, we are holding this 26th Annual General Meeting through video conference to ensure safety of the shareholders and the employees of the company. This is in compliance with applicable with the provisions of Companies Act 2013. Though most of you all may be familiar with the participation in AGM through video conference, for the benefit of those shareholders who are participating it for the first time, I would like to briefly explain certain technical aspects of the process. All the members who have joined in this meeting are by default placed on mute mode by the host to avoid any disturbance arising from the background noise and to ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. The company has received requests from the shareholders who wish to speak at this AGM. Kindly note, only registered speaker shareholders are allowed to speak. Once question and answer session starts, we will announce the names one by one. When we call your name, you will be unmuted by the host. Then the speaker shareholder can unmute his device and speak. While speaking to us, we request the shareholder to use headphones or earphones so that they are clearly audible and to minimize any background noise. Also, please ensure that Wi-Fi is not connected with any other devices. No other background applications are running on the device, and there is a proper lighting to have a good video experience. If there is any connectivity problem at the speaker's end, we would request the next speaker to join. We also request speaker shareholder to be precise and loud so that it can be heard clearly and answered appropriately. Now let me take you through e-voting process as per the requirement of the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI listing regulations. The company has provided the shareholder a facility to cast their vote through remote electronic voting system administered by KFIN Technologies Private Limited. The facility during the meeting is also enabled for the shareholders present at the meeting and not yet voted. The shareholders may please go to the respective depositories website, TDSL, NSDL or KFintech login credentials and cast their vote while proceedings of meeting are on. Since the AGM is being held through video conference, and the resolutions have already been put for remote e-voting, there will be no proposing or seconding of the resolutions. During the meeting, if there is any technical issue, you may contact the helpline mentioned in the notice of AGM. Before I start with the proceedings, I would like to introduce the attendees with us here. I would like to introduce the attendees: Mr. Dodla Shesha Reddy, Chairman of the company; Mr. Dodla Sunil Reddy, Managing Director of the company; Mr. Ambavaram Madhusudan Reddy, Whole-time Director of the company; Mr. Raman Talampuram, Non-Executive Independent Director and Chairman of Audit Committee; Mr. Ram Praveen Swaminatham, Non-Executive Independent Director and Chairperson of Nomination Remuneration Committee. I'm sorry, Mr. Rajaratnam, Non-Executive Independent Director; Mr. Akshay Tanna, Nominee Director; Mr. Bhusi Venkatesha Reddy, CEO of the company; and Anjanelu Ganji, CFO of the company. Apart from the director,
Surya Prakash sir, we request you to unmute yourself, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Apart from directors, we also have statutory auditors with us. Mrs. Sridevi, Secretarial Auditor of the company. I thank all the members for joining in the meeting. The company has taken requisite steps to enable the members to participate and vote on the items that are being considered at this AGM. Since there is no physical attendance of the members, the requirement of appointing proxies is not applicable. The registers as required in the Companies Act 2013 are available for inspection along with the Secretarial Auditor on the Employee Stock Option Scheme. The members who have not voted earlier through remote e-voting can cast their vote in the course of this meeting during e-voting facility. With this, I would request the Chairman, sir, to take over and continue the proceedings of the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Surya Prakash. Very good morning to all the shareholders and directors who joined this meeting through video conference. I hope you and your family members are safe and in good health. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you to this 26th annual general meeting of your company, Dodla Dairy Limited. As the requisite quorum is present, now I call the meeting to order. Since the AGM notice is already circulated to the members, I take the notice convening this meeting as received and read. It gives me immense pleasure to address you virtually at the 26th annual general meeting of Dodla Dairy Limited, and it's the first AGM as a publicly listed company. This is the first AGM after publicly listed company. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record my heartfelt thanks to all the investors who posed their faith in Dodla Dairy Limited by making the IPO a success, which was subscribed around 46 times, and it has given us the confidence to strengthen our business and make the most of the opportunities in a journey as a publicly listed company. I would like to thank all our employees for working relentlessly even in these stressing times, as well as the dairy farmers, vendors, distributors, bankers, and the customers who have been associated with us for decades and making us a success story. The company has an operating revenue of rupees 19,440 million rupees. That means to say 1,944 crores, with a gross margin of 30.5% and EBITDA margin of 12.5% and the PAT margin of 6.5% on a consolidated basis. Diluted earnings per share for the year stood at rupees 22 and 33 paise per share. Compared to the previous year, that is rupees 8.96 paise for the financial year 2020. In the Q1 financial year of 2022, despite the headwinds, our top line grew by 12.5% on a year-to-year basis, and the bottom line grew by 12%. Talking about the dairy sector in India, as of financial year 2021, it was of rupees 6.8 trillion market, projected to grow at a CAGR of around 10% to 9.9 trillion by financial year 2025. This rise is in demand to be primarily driven by three factors. One is rising urban population and nuclearization, increasing preference for packaged milk, and such an importance of milk as a protein source. Continuous focus on improving supply chain infrastructure and product innovation and quality is expected to drive the growth ahead. Let me brief you about our history. We started our journey in 1995 and began operation in 1997. We built our first plant in Nellore, and then slowly we grew to start the procurement, processing, and selling milk in 4 states. That all 4 states are southern states. And milk products in 12 states in India from our 13 processing plants located in these 4 states. The company offers wide range of milk products comprising of fresh milk, curd, ice cream, butter, ghee, paneer, and flavored milk, and doodh peda. As a part of expanding our presence in the emerging overseas market, in the fiscal year 2015, the company has incorporated Lakeside Dairy Limited in Uganda, which is plant located at Barara city. The plant currently manufactures yogurt with different flavors, ghee, paneer, cheese, and ESL milk under the brand name of Dairy Top and Dodla Plus. These products are marketed across Uganda and Kenya. In the year 2020, we also entered the cattle feed business through our subsidiary located in Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh, called Orga Feeds Limited, wherein we manufacture cattle feed and distribute through our vast procurement network to our farmers. We truly believe that valuing people, whether they are employees, dairy farmers, distributors, vendors, bankers, customers, or stakeholders, is the key factor for a long-term sustenance and growth. I want to end by thanking you for all your support, and we want to assure you that we are fully committed to the creation of a long-term value for all our stakeholders. Thank you very much. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over to Dodla Sunil Reddy, Managing Director of the company, to address you.
Thank you very much, Chairman sir. A very good morning to all the shareholders who are present here with us. We really want to thank all of you for the interest that you have shown in our company and being associated with us for the journey ahead. I'll take you through the financial year 2021 and the first quarter of our financial year 21-22. There were indeed challenging periods due to COVID-19 induced lockdowns, causing many operational and supply chain disruptions for us. Despite this, we were able to tide through the challenges on the back of our time-tested and solid business model consisting of a well-integrated supply chain, managerial expertise, large operational presence, and a strong brand portfolio. The pandemic had its impact on the dairy segment. Even though we are classified as an essential commodity, the demand side as well as the supply chain faced significant challenges with partial and full lockdowns imposed during certain times in the past. However, as we are into the business of operating for more than 25 years now, We have learned to fight through the ups and downs, and we have been building our resilience while ensuring the safety and security of our employees, farmer community, extended partners, and all other stakeholders in the system. While our revenues dipped marginally in the year 21 due to the pandemic-induced lockdown, we ensured that we provided support to everyone to the best of our abilities during these tough times. Though the macroeconomic environment shows a rebound in most countries across the world in 2021, IMF has cut India's growth GDP forecast from 9.5% from the earlier projected 12.5%, as the recent severe second COVID-19 wave cut down the recovery momentum. For the financial year 23, IMF expects economic growth to be around 8.5%, which is more than the previous forecast of 6.9%. As far as Dodla is concerned, our quality remains the center of our attention here, due to which we have become a trusted name in all the areas of the country where we have served, and now we are making also strong inroads into the newly entered state of Maharashtra. We have achieved this quality through our focus on newer technologies and supply chain. We have the state-of-the-art technologies deployed at all our plants for testing and assuring the right quality of milk and other products. Our deep understanding of the dairy business, along with equally deep-rooted relationships with the dairy farmers, has allowed us to scale up our business both organically and inorganically over the years. Apart from the quality, sustainability is another agenda which we are very fully committed to. We aim to transition most of our facilities to energy-efficient sources, and in fact, we have many of our plants running on solar power. The most recently commissioned plants are zero-discharge ones, and we are committed to be a company which adopts high ESG standards. Dodla Dairy is among the few dairy processors in the country having our own dairy farm. Our farm is situated in Pulivendala, Andhra Pradesh, with over 500 animals. In this state-of-the-art dairy farm, we have implemented all farming methods. Having our own farm gives us a first-hand experience of all the aspects of the dairy farming and the farmers, what problems that they will face. The core of our company is built on a solid, long-standing relationship that we have with our dairy farmers over the years, which in turn has strengthened our procurement model. And as of today, we are procuring milk from around 1.2 lakh dairy farmers daily, out of which 84% are provided with regular direct payments into their bank accounts. We have also extended our help to them by providing financial loans, high-quality cattle feed through our subsidiary Orga Feed. We have a strong direct procurement model wherein we buy 90% of our milk directly from the farmers across villages, resulting in a cost saving to an establishment, and also this deep-rooted relationship with them. In terms of our presence, we are the biggest player in the dairy industry. We are one among the biggest players in the dairy industry, with sales spanning across 12 states in India, supported by the third largest procurement network. We have 13 processing plants across the states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. We have one plant in Uganda, and with all these plants, we have a combined milk processing capacity of 20 lakh liters per day. And this is supported by 97 chilling plants. Over the years, we have been on the lookout for adding newer capacities and capabilities through our organic and inorganic routes. Today, we have around 455 Dodla retail parlors, through which we are trying to increase our volume of sales. And we have a strong 1,500 plus milk and milk distributors and 3,100 plus distribution agent network, which is well established in many areas of the country. Our aim of increasing our footprint by continuously and contiguously growing across the country has helped us increase our brand visibility and recognition by each passing year. The disruptions caused by the pandemic have taught us many lessons which prepare us in future, strengthening our supply chain experience. The proactive supply chain and operational planning methods also help us to limit the impact of the COVID-19 disruption in the financial year 2021, which in turn resulted in a healthy operating revenue of 19,440 million, with a gross margin of 30.5%, EBITDA margin of 12.5%, and a PAT margin of 6.5% on a consolidated basis. Diluted EPS, as we had said earlier, stood at 22.33 rupees per share compared to 8.96 cash and cash equivalents and investment for the company stood around 2,849 million as on March 31st, 2021. in Q1 for the financial year 22, despite the headwinds, our top line grew by 12.5% on a year-on-year basis, and the bottom line grew by 12%. And our average milk procurement was over 12.3 lakh liters per day, compared to the 10 lakh liters per day during the corresponding period a year ago. We also are making a constant effort to expand our distribution network, strengthen our brand recognition, and improve our product mix capability by increasing value-added product contribution to the revenues. This, we hope, will give a healthier margin profile and will ultimately add value to the shareholders as well. With this, I'd like to thank you all for being here. Please stay healthy and safe and take care of your families. Thank you very much. Surya Prakash will now take over and take forward the meeting.
Sir, please unmute yourself, sir. Surya, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil Reddy, sir. The e-voting facility is open now. The members may go to the voting page of respective depositories of KVinTech website and cast their vote if they have not already done so. The e-voting facility remains open for 15 minutes after this meeting is over, enabling the members to cast their vote. Now I would like to move on the speaker shareholders who have registered to speak will be called by the order in which names are listed. I would request all the speakers to be clear and brief so that we can completely hear all the speaker shareholders. Mr. Praveen, could you please read out the speaker?
Thank you, sir. We would like to invite our first speaker shareholder, Mr. Kamal Kishore Jawahar from Hyderabad. So you're requested to unmute yourself and present with your question, please. Mr. Kamal Kishore Jawahar from Hyderabad. We have not received any input from the said speaker. We would like to move to our next speaker, Mr. Suresh Chandra Jain from Hyderabad.
हेलो, नमस्कार सर। आपने जो चेयरमैन स्पीच के अंदर अच्छी सी जानकारी कंपनी के बारे में दी, उसके लिए मैं मैनेजमेंट को और आपके टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। और सर एक मिनट, कमल किशोर जी भी बात कर रहे हैं।
हेलो सर, मैं कमल किशोर, मेरा ऑलरेडी स्पीकर रजिस्ट्रेशन है। मैं इसके पहले यूनिट कह रहा, आप मेरे को नाम से करे जाता कि यूनिट चले गया। मैं सूरज चंद जी के पास से सेल से बात कर रहा हूँ। चेयरमैन सर, हमारे शेषा रेड्डी साहब, चेयरमैन साहब, ये सबसे पहले आपका आईपीओ है। मैं भी ये मार्केट में 30 ईयर से इस फील्ड में हूँ साहब, शेयर मार्केट में। आपका जो हम सूरज चंद जैन, आपका आईपीओ के टाइम पे हमने सेकेंडरी मार्केट में भी शेयर खरीदे। जब हमको न्यूज था कि ये हेरिटेज फूड जब 2 रुपए का शेयर 800 रुपए गया, अब ये 10 रुपए का पेड है, शेयर पेडअप है, तो इसका भी 10 रुपए में क्या बुरा है, आज हमको अच्छा रिटर्न मिलेगा। पर आपके कंपनी में कभी हम फोन करते हैं तो कौन रिस्पॉन्ड है, हमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है। हम उतनी दूर से आना, वो तो 50 किलोमीटर होता है, वो कौन कंपनी सेक्रेटरी है, क्या है, कुछ भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलता। मैं चाहता हूं, मैं आपका परमानेंट कंपनी सेक्रेटरी कौन है, क्या है। अरे हमको एक बैलेंस शीट चाहिए, हम फोन से बात करते हैं, हम आने जाने को कम से कम 500 रुपीज का खर्चा आता हुआ कि हम कंपनी को नहीं आते। कोई है ना, ये कंपनी का सेक्रेटरी कौन है, क्या है, हमको वेरिफिकेशन करना। हम भाई एक बैलेंस शीट होना है, हमारे को फर्स्ट आईपीओ है, क्या है, थोड़ा जानकारी चाहिए। हमको इतना इंग्लिश स्टाफ नहीं आता, हमको खाली हिंदी आता है सर। हम इसके बाद से ज्यादा हिंदी में बात करते हैं। और सर आपका अभी स्टूडेंट शेयर प्राइस 640 है, और अपना ये टर्नओवर जैसा चेन्नई बेस्ड कंपनी हेस्टन एग्रो और अपना हेरिटेज फूड अनदर कंपनी डेयरी फार्म के जो, तो उसके बारे में अपना कितना लीटर सेल होगा और अपना प्रॉफिट कितना आएगा। और नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर में अपना 10 रुपए प्रोडक्ट का शेयर आप थोड़ा स्टॉक स्प्लिट करे तो 5 रुपीज या 2 रुपीज करे तो थोड़ा कंपनी का ये शेयर मार्केट में वैल्यूएशन बढ़ेगा और लिक्विडिटी बढ़ेगा, और स्मॉल इन्वेस्टर शेयर भी ले सकते हैं। इस टाइम साहब मैं शेयर सोल्व कर दिया। इस टाइम मेरे पास ओनली 51 शेयर है। अकाउंट नंबर 1206900000013533 ये अकाउंट में, बाकी का शेयर मैं भेज दिया। परसों लास्ट वीक 500 के अंदर आए। मीटिंग के पहले अपना शेयर प्राइस 100 रुपए बढ़ गया। तो व्हाट इज द रीजन? शेयर मीटिंग के सामने शेयर बढ़ गया, मीटिंग खत्म होने के बाद क्या शेयर उतर जाएगा, बढ़ जाएगा? अगर ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है हमारे को एक पिक्चर, और अपना नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वार्टर थर्ड क्वार्टर कैसा रहेंगे उसके बारे में बताइए। और हम आपका फर्स्ट मीटिंग होने से हम आपका वेलकम, हम सूरज चंद जैन वेलकम करना चाहते हैं सर, कभी मिले तो आपका वेलकम करेंगे, हमको बहुत खुशी है। आपका आईपीओ बहुत अच्छे टाइम पे आया है, अच्छे प्रीमियम पे, कंपनी में अच्छा मनी आया है, जो कम से कम रिजल्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है, मार्केटिंग करने में बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। और हमारे सर हैदराबाद सिटी में, तेलंगाना, आंध्र में ज्यादा डोबला की हरिडपुर में बूथ कॉर्पोरेट लगाते मार्केट में, वो कुछ तो भी कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट बेचना हो गया जैसा हरिडपुर। तो आपका सिटी में किधर किधर है, तो शेयर होल्डर को एक बैलेंस शीट के वास्ते भेजेंगे तो उसका डिस्काउंट कूपन तो सबको लेने में काम आएगा। डिस्काउंट कूपन कभी भी कुछ घी है आपका, जो भी एनी प्रोडक्ट्स है तो हमको ले सकते हैं। और ऑलरेडी सर सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट, सीएफओ शेषा रेड्डी, ऑल डायरेक्टर्स को मेरा और सूरज चंद का नमस्कार, थैंक यू। और एवरी ईयर ऐसी आप आना, एजम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखिए, हम कहीं भी अनदर प्लेस भी रहे तो हम मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते हैं साहब, और आपके डायरेक्टर भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सर। लगा प्रश्न लगा।
Thank you, sir. We would like to move to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Redappa Gundluru from Hyderabad. Mr. Redappa Gundluru from Hyderabad. We have not received any input from the speaker shareholder. We'd like to move to our next speaker, Mr. K. Bharat Raj from Hyderabad. Mr. K. Bharat Raj from Hyderabad. We'll move to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Afzal Mohammed from Hyderabad. Mr. Afzal Mohammed from Hyderabad. We have not received any input from the speaker. Would like to move to our next speaker, Mr. Praful Chavda from Hyderabad.
हेलो सर, मेरी आवाज है सर?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
हेलो सर, वीडियो कैमरा चालू हो सकता है या नहीं होगा? हो रहा। हेलो।
Yes, you can start with your video camera, please. Thank you.
हेलो।
Please
Hello,
proceed
sir.
with asking the question.
हेलो सर, मैं प्रफुल चावड़ा बोल रहा हूँ। कंपनी के बाद अलॉटमेंट का मेरे को आया और बहुत खुशी हुई कि मुझे शेयर्स मिला। सर, मैंने ये कंपनी, आवाज आ रही सर? हेलो सर, आवाज आ रही मेरी?
आ रही है सर।
आ रही ना सर? मैं आईपीओ में अलॉटमेंट का शेयर होल्डर हूँ, मैं लकी हूँ कि मुझे मिला। तो सर, कंपनी का आईपीओ से पहले बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर का एक मीटिंग हुआ था, कस्टम ब्रोकर मीटिंग। इसमें आपने सबको बुलाया था, मैं भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व हुआ था। और मैंने पूछा गया था कि कंपनी का यूनिट बता सकते हैं क्या, तो इसके बारे में जवाब नहीं दिया। जब भी मुझे समझ में आ गया कि ये कंपनी इन्वेस्टर फ्रेंडली नहीं है, इन्वेस्टर इसको नहीं चाहिए, शेयर होल्डर नहीं चाहिए, और शेयर होल्डर में इसको इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है, और आगे के शेयर होल्डर ने बोले भी है कि कुछ भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलता है ऑफिस में। और ज्यादातर छोटी छोटी कंपनी, आपकी कंपनी तो बड़ी है सर, 500 रुपीज के ऊपर प्रीमियम लेके आप ISO है, तो भी छोटी कंपनी के कंपनी सेक्रेटरी फोन करके बताते हैं कि आपका कोई खास क्वेश्चन है क्या, या आपका स्पीकर नंबर इतना है। एक बार शेयर होल्डर को टच करते हैं कंपनी सेक्रेटरी, पर या नहीं हुआ, यानी कि आप बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर ने बोल दिए कोई भी शेयर होल्डर को रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देने का है, ऑफिस में नहीं बुलाने का है, नंबर भी ऐसा नहीं देने का है। सर, अपना कंपनी का आईपीओ आया ठीक है, पर मार्केट में माल किधर मिलता है? कोई जगह पे नहीं मिलता है। पब्लिसिटी किधर है? कुछ नहीं है। अपनी बैलेंस शीट मुझे मिली, पर मैंने देखा कि बैलेंस शीट में बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स है, और हमारे अत्तापुर में मैंने देखा कोई जगह पे मेरे को अभी तक प्रोडक्ट्स देखने को नहीं मिला है। गांव से मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल छोटे छोटे गांव में बोल रहे कि दीवालों पे बोर्ड लगा हुआ है, दीवालों पे लिखा हुआ है, पर वहां भी प्रोडक्ट तो नहीं है। यानी कि आप किस तरह बिजनेस बताते हैं वो आपको मालूम है सर, यूनिट्स भी ज्यादा है, प्रोडक्ट्स यूनिट्स भी ज्यादा है, परंतु माल किधर बिकता है इसके बारे में हम लोगों को जानकारी नहीं है सर। सर, दूसरी बात है कि जो ऑनलाइन मार्केट है, ऑनलाइन मार्केट में जियो है, स्नैपडील है, बहुत से ऐसे है कि वहां मिलना चाहिए माल, पर नहीं मिल रहा है सर। जियो में अभी भी मैंने एक चीज देखा कि आपका एक प्रोडक्ट कुछ कल है या कुछ आया, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं आया। ऐसे जो प्लेटफॉर्म है कि जहाँ ऑनलाइन खरीदी कर सकते हैं हम, इसमें भी आपका प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है। इसके बदले तिरुमला डेयरी का, चेन्नई की एक डेयरी है, इसका प्रोडक्ट जियो में मिलता है, और वो भी कितना चीप, 103 यानी 103 रुपये में 400 ग्राम पनीर मिलता है। और आपका तो क्या चीज का कितना रेट है कि ऐसा मत पता चलेगा, कि माल ही नहीं मिलता है। सेक्रेटरिएट डिपार्टमेंट वर्स्ट डिपार्टमेंट है, इसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। वो आप बोले होंगे इसलिए वो करते होंगे, तो सर ऐसा नहीं चाहिए। आपको पता नहीं है कि शेयर होल्डर की वैल्यू क्या है और कीमत क्या है। एक बार शेयर होल्डर इसका दम बताएंगे और आपका कोई भी प्रपोज रुक जाएगा, तभी आपको पता चलेगा कि शेयर होल्डर का वैल्यू क्या है। तब तक आपको शेयर होल्डर का वैल्यू भी आपको पता नहीं है। सर, मेरे को जो बोलने का चांस दिया इसके लिए धन्यवाद देता हूँ। शेयर होल्डर डिपार्टमेंट को अच्छा करे और इन्वेस्टर फ्रेंडली बनिए। धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you, sir. We would like to move to
I'm back, Mr. Redepa. Redepa is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Bharat also is on the line, sir. Please be
Sir.
on.
Bharat,
Hello?
sir, you will get your chance, sir. Just wait.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Sir, my video is not connected. Video, can you please, moderator, on my.
Sir, you can present with your questions, sir. We can hear you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Mr. Chairman Dotla Shesha Reddy garu, Mr. Dotla Sunil Reddy garu, and Mr. Madhusudan Reddy garu, other directors of the video conference and my fellow shareholders, good morning and namaste, sir. Sir, my name is Reddappa Gunduru and my DP ID is 113468 from Hyderabad, sir. Sir, as a shareholder, very happy and proud about the company performance 2021, sir. So I'm congratulating this successful and wonderful IPO, sir. I wish all the best for future too, sir. So thank you for chairman. You have given very informative presentation and detailed AGM report you have given to us. Excellent speech by Mr. Chairman, sir. We're appreciating this, sir. Sir, my video not connecting, madam. What happened? Oh, right. Thank you. Right. Sir, first of all, I am very happy about this company annual report, sir. Again, my video is off. I wanted to show a report. It's okay. Sir, this report, annual report, everything undo, mana pala అనిపిస్తుందా సార్?
Reddappa,
సార్
sir.
రెడ్డిగా అనిపిస్తుందా?
వినపడుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్, యాన్యువల్ రిపోర్ట్ ఏవైతే ఉందో సార్ నేను చూశాను సార్. ఎంత పాలలాగా స్వచ్ఛంగా తయారు చేశారంటే నిజంగా చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ యాన్యువల్ రిపోర్ట్ సార్ మీరు ఇచ్చారు. ఇది నేను చూశాను సార్. ఇది చూడండి సార్, ఇట్లా పట్టుకుంటే ఇట్లా మెత్తగా ఉంటుంది సార్. పాలలో ఎలా ఉంటుంది స్వచ్ఛంగా ఎంత మెత్తగా ఉన్నది. దీంట్లో ఉన్న కంటెంట్ కూడా చాలా బాగా ఉంది సార్. సో ఫస్ట్ మీటింగ్ కాబట్టి నేను ఈ యాన్యువల్ రిపోర్ట్ చూసిన తర్వాత చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అయ్యాను సార్. చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ రిపోర్ట్ చేశారు. చాలా తొందర కాలం సార్ రాబోయే కాలంలో కూడా మన వాళ్ళు చాలా చక్కగా ఉండాలని చెప్పి అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్. సో as of now, my company accountability and this corporate governance also excellent, sir. So I'm welcoming all the directors, all the employees of this IPO sector. So my public sector lo cham sir, my appreciation and everything is sir. Congratulations for the wonderful numbers you have posted, Mr. Chairman. My company CEO and other team doing is wonderful consistent financial performance, quality management, and with technical movement, growth mindset, sir. Thank you, sir. Good financial performance, good revenue growth, PAT, EBITDA also wonderful, sir. Year-on growth is very good, sir. So we are manufacturing very good. This facilities is there, sir. So and also, sir, this just a minute, sir, empowering farmers, sir. I would like to record my word. Empowering farmers is very good, sir. My company is giving very good empowering to the rural areas. This challenging pandemic, sir. You are changing the lives of farmers, sir. So आगे वाले दिनों में बहुत अच्छा फार्मर को सपोर्ट करना है. सब्सिडी कंपनीज को फार्मर बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, सर. ऑपरेटिंग कास्ट कंट्रोल also very good, sir. Thank you for this dividend also, sir. So, sir, my question is, sir, what are the new products are going to launch? So, present scenario, your my portfolio new products are excellent. But our covered other products are very good, sir. I used to my family other was using this Dodla products, sir. So I would like to know what is the new products are going to be delivered in the market. What is the R&D you are doing right now? So what is any like cream milk or nourish milk, immunity milk? You are any going to be this corona pandemic? This immunity products are very needy in this social activity. So any this type of activities are going to do the new products, sir. I would like to know. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఈ కాంపిటేటర్స్ తట్టుకోవాలంటే కొత్త R&D చేసి మనము చేయాలి సార్. మీరు ఫ్రోజన్ డెజర్ట్స్ కూడా ట్రై చేయండి. సో మరి ఏదైనా కొత్తగా ఉన్న ఫ్రెష్ క్రీమ్, కోల్డ్ కాఫీ లాంటివి కూడా ట్రై చేయండి. సో మరి కోల్డ్ కాఫీ విత్ దిస్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ పవర్ COVID-19 కి చాలా పనిచేస్తుంది సార్. సో రాబోయే కాలంలో సో మెనీ అవార్డ్స్ అనే ఆర్ఆర్స్ వస్తాయని చెప్పి నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తా ఉన్నా. ఐ విష్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. And also, sir, CSR also we are doing very good, sir. So my question is, sir, so I would like to know what is the company vision this 2 to 3 years. So can you please throw some light on these new products also? So any what are the safeguarding in this our facilities you are taking care? So what is the revenue addition this corona pandemic? So what is the major cash in general expenses? So I have many questions, sir. So first of all, I wanted to meet as a company MD Garu. I wanted to facilitate, sir, in this new IPO, sir. Please give me chance to, sir. So lastly, I would like to thank Company Secretary Mr. Surya Prakash, I think, sir. Surya Prakash, he's a new Company Secretary. So he's a new beginner. So I wish all the best his career also. So सूर्य प्रकाश जी, हमारे कंपनी के लिए आप एक असेट बनना चाहिए, तो शेयर होल्डर को अच्छी तरह रिसीव करिए. अभी इससे पहले हमारे चावड़ा साहब बात किया है, शेयर होल्डर्स के रिलेशन हमको बहुत अच्छा जरूरी है. हम लोग देने का कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन अच्छी तरह से आपको टीम को भी आप बोलना चाहिए, हर एक कॉल को, हर एक मेल को कि बोले तो आपका जो बात कर रहे हैं ना कंपनी, हमारे रेड्डी साहब को आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना है, उनका ब्रांड इमेज नहीं चलना चाहिए. तो मैं सपोर्ट करता हूं, आगे वाले दिनों में हमारा ब्रांड वैल्यू बढ़ेगा और रेड्डी साहब का नाम भी रोशन होगा, दोडला ब्रांड भी आगे बढ़ेगा. ऑल ओवर इंडिया में हमारा एवरी स्टेट में हमारा ये आउटलेट्स भी बनाना चाहिए. ये मेरा ये है सर. सर लास्टली आई विश बोथ गुड हेल्थ एंड सक्सेसफुल ईयर सर. ये मेरे को ये मौका मिलने के लिए आपको धन्यवाद. లాగిన్ సపోర్ట్ కెఫిన్ కార్య వాళ్ళు బాగా చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు కూడా నేను ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తా ఉన్నా. మీరు మంచి హెల్త్ ఉండాలి, హ్యాపీనెస్ ఉండాలి, మరి సొసైటీ కూడా మీరు హెల్ప్ చేయాలని చెప్పి కోరుకుంటున్నా. థ్యాంక్ యూ, నమస్కార్.
Thank you, sir. Next speaker shareholder is Mr. Bharat.
Yeah, very good morning, Dodla Chairman Mr. Shesha Reddy, Dodla MD Mr. Sunil Reddy, entire Mr. and Miss Board of Directors, and our captain of our company, Mr. BVK Reddy, CEO of our company. Sir, first of all, I'm happy to see you healthy, safe and fine in this pandemic. Sir, I congratulate the chairman, sir, for successfully IPO, sir, for collecting the money from the public, and the public has trusted you, and it is 46 times oversubscribed, sir. This is a wonderful IPO, sir. Sir, when Dodla you started, I may be in 10th class, sir. Now in this 26 years, you create a very big Goliath, like a Goliath company. I never seen, sir, because when I was a child, I don't know. But after 10 years, maybe in a degree, I tasted our badam milk, flavored milk, sir. This is a wonderful flavor milk in AP or any other company. I recommend the Dodla flavor is the best flavored milk, sir. That is what I experienced in my wholehearted, I am telling, sir. Sir, I have seen your annual report, sir. Wonderful annual report, sir. This type of quality of annual report in Andhra Pradesh, in Hyderabad, the only company, Pokarna Granites, will give this type of quality of annual report, sir. The paper size and the give the design. Our annual first page design is wonderful because it shows that what we are in, what our business is. So Dodla annual report is wonderful. The paper quality is very good. I thank the secretarial department for creating a very good annual report, sir. Sir, I thanks for the annual revenue of the company, because if you compare the last year, it has come down due to the pandemic. But even though we are now 2,000 crores company, I'm very happy, sir. Sir, successful completing this IPO, sir. Can we expect a interim dividend, sir? If the love of successful IPO is fulfilled, I request the chairman, please issue one interim dividend, sir. Sir, in this IPO, 500 rupees, 500 crores you have collected, sir. How you have utilized that fund, sir? May I know that the breakup, sir? So are you plans to expansion? Sir, I'm very happy and proud that in Andhra Pradesh, the only company is in international. Uganda and Kenya also, my company is there, sir. No other company is there in Hyderabad, in Telangana, Andhra state, or entire India. But I'm very proud that my Dodla brand is in Africa country. Sir, Mr. Chairman, have you any plans to expand that Dodla brand in South Africa countries? Have you any plan to enter into Dubai or taken over in any other companies? I mean, take over. Are you any plans to enter into the Europe countries or North America, South Africa? Because I want our legacy should expand, sir. Because you have created Goliath in 25 years. Now this time the Silver Jubilee is completed. Now is the right time to expansion, sir. Now we are in 11 countries, 11 states, sir. Any plans to enter into the entire northeastern states and North India, sir? That is my question, sir. Sir, the CSR is wonderful, sir. You are doing wonderful CSR. You spend a lot of money to the CSR, sir. You started the Dodla Foundation also, sir. It creates what the transparency of our CSR, sir. Wonderful. I warm welcome Mr. Anjaneyulu Ganji, our CFO, sir. Maybe I met him some other company, sir. I can recognize his face, sir. In some other company, I have maybe met him, but even though I warm welcome him, all the best for the coming future. I wish you will be asset to our company. You serve very good and you give very good role model to our company, sir. And one more thing I want to share, sir. This is the only company has given entire pictures of the head of the department, sir. No other company will provide, sir. This shows how you taken care of our employees, sir. How you are giving value for our employees, sir. Mr. Chairman, very proud of you, sir. Mr. Sunil Reddy, I am very proud of you, the way you are narrating our company, sir. One question is that, sir, how in this pandemic, how you taken care of our employees? Have you given vaccination to our entire employees? Any death calamities? How you taken care of their families? And any salary cut has taken to the employees? That is my question, sir. Sir, once again, sir, I am very proud of you, sir, Mr. Shesha Reddy. I believe your leadership. Sir, you will take our legacy into next level, sir, because Dodla brand should be all over India. And it should be a best brand, sir, because 25 years means is not a big issue. It is not a small thing, sir. It is happened just like something. It is happened in front of our eyes only, sir. So I very proud that we should celebrate Golden Jubilee, we should celebrate Diamond Jubilee, Platinum Jubilee, and more, sir, because the brand you have created a very big brand, sir, and I'm very proud of you, sir. Sir, my sponsor request is, sir, can you please arrange a plant visit for the shareholders who was a speaker registers on today, so that we want to see the plant, how you are manufacturing, because I visited Heritage brand, sir. I visited the plant visit. I seen that is a very good brand. So I want to see the plant so that I will also know what is my company and how is my plant is been doing the manufacturing, so that I'll be more proud. It will be very good for us as shareholders, sir. Once again, Mr. Chairman, all the best, sir. Take care, sir. Me Aragam Baga, sir. Chuskondi, sir. Entire Mr. Sunil Reddy and our captain, Mr. BVK Reddy, take care of our company, sir. All the best. Mr. Surya Prakash, I warm welcome you, sir. I want to share one incident, sir. We visited our office evening, sir, on Saturday, maybe on the day for yesterday. Really, Surya Prakash just is coming outside. He welcomed warmly, sir. Actually, he want to take us to inside the office. We only stopped it. No, we'll leave. But immediately, he has provided the annual report. He has told them, definitely, sir, please attend the AGM. He has warmly welcomed us, sir, and very polite and humble with us, sir. Thank you, Mr. Surya Prakash. Definitely, you will be a very good asset to our company. A bright future for you, sir. Thank you very much, Chairman. All the best. Be safe, be happy, sir. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. We would like to move to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Shrikant Jawahar from Hyderabad.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please proceed, sir.
Hello. Yes, sir. Please proceed, sir. Respected chairman और our board of directors को धन्यवाद सर, जो फर्स्ट अपना जो ये कोविड में जो फर्स्ट टाइम अपना मीटिंग अटेंड हो रहा है आईपीओ के बाद, वो जो आपने चेयरमैन स्पीच में बताया बहुत कुछ अच्छा समझ में बैठा। और आपका जो फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू जो जी बिजनेस में जब सुनील रेड्डी साहब ने बहुत कुछ जानकारी दी है सर, जैसा अभी दूध जैसा पेट्रोल डीजल का रेट बढ़ने से अपने को लॉजिस्टिक में कुछ क्या इफेक्ट हुआ उसके बारे में थोड़ा। और दूसरा सर, जो अभी रिसेंटली द गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस करी कि जो स्क्रैप पॉलिसी, उसमें अपने कितने पुराने जो लॉरी डीसीएम है उसके बेचने के बाद अपने को क्या फायदा होगा और लेने के लिए क्या होगा, उसके बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी दीजिए। जैसा कि भरत राज ने पूछा कि अपना ज्यादा बिजनेस साउथ में है, नॉर्थ और ईस्ट वेस्ट में कहीं को नहीं है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा अपनी मार्केटिंग टीम अगर अच्छा क्रिएट करके जो मार्केट में जो है इससे थोड़ा करके कुछ करे तो अच्छा है। और दूसरा सर, फॉरेन कंट्री में खाली अपना बिजनेस साउथ अफ्रीका में है, अदर फॉरेन कंट्री में कहीं को ऐसा नहीं है जैसा रशिया और ये, उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, कुछ एक्विजिशन या कुछ करके बताइए सर। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir. We'd like to move to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. A. Peter Mascarenhas from Mumbai. Mr. A. Peter Mascarenhas from Mumbai. We have not received any input from the said speaker. We'd like to move to our next speaker, Ms. Celestine Elizabeth Mascarenhas from Mumbai. Yes, ma'am. Please unmute yourself.
Again, it has got it.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you now, ma'am. Please proceed. Unmute yourself and proceed, please.
अरे वाह, अच्छा।
Miss Elizabeth, please unmute yourself and proceed, please.
अरे continue no. Hello.
We believe there's some issue at Miss Elizabeth's side. We'd like to move to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Anwar Rahman Sufi Mohammed from Hyderabad. Mr. Anwar Rahman Sufi Mohammed from Hyderabad. We have not received any input from the said speaker. We'd like to move to our next speaker, Mr. Rajesh Kevalram Chenani from Mumbai. Mr. Rajesh Kevalram Chenani from Mumbai.
It is on.
Elizabeth ma'am, we can hear you. Please unmute yourself and proceed with your question, please.
Good morning all. I am speaking from Mumbai. Mrs. Karina speaking from Bombay. Thank the company secretary for giving me platform to speak. Also to KFin who have given me a platform where I can speak. First of all, I am happy came first time with the IPO, and you gave us to participate in this great. I would like here to know that who are competitors are there in Mumbai, coming from Mumbai. So our Tetra Pak or anything available in superstores, in the malls, you just give some thoughts on it. And I would like, if I am in Hyderabad side, I would like to visit the or various. You send me a video on this email. I can have more about our company. It is good. And of course, I congratulate also. I am very delighted with the good CR work done. Also, I'd like to know who are our main competitors. What is the future roadmap now as we are listed company? What is the map in 3 years and with pertaining to capex and so less we have learned from COVID and how we have geared for the COVID 3. I have supported organization. I wish you company. I wish my chairman, the DODA team, a very good health, and so that you will create great wealth for us. With this, I thank each one of you for giving me the opportunity to speak. Thank you once again, and stay safe, stay well.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Mascarenhas also here and I've registered. I have to observe any company which they always launch with the products. We would like to test and see the product. So I have not seen a product. So some else to us, we would like to take product. What effect of it on our employees? How many employees affected? How many got recovered? Any deaths of the employees, and compensation was to employees, and whether all our employees are fully affected, and what funds we have given to the government and for COVID. So these are 2 points I would like to know. I speech the chairman, the board members, and more importantly, all the employees, all the best. We are in the midst of festive season, so each season, festive season. With this, thank you very much. Safe and take care. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Would like to move to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Raghuveer Rao Mehrani from Hyderabad. Mr. Raghuveer Rao Mehrani.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Please proceed.
Yes, sir. Good morning to each and all the directors and company secretary. My name is Raghuveer. This is the first annual general meeting after IPO. I want to congratulate the company and wish you all the best for future also. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Our next speaker shareholder is Maneni Jyoti from Hyderabad. Ms. Maneni Jyoti from Hyderabad. We have not received any input from the shareholder. We'd like to move to our next shareholder, Mr. Vinod Motilal Agarwal from Mumbai.
I'm starting my video.
Please, sir.
Yeah, my video would have started, I think so. Can you see me? Yeah, can you see me? Yeah, respected Chairman Dodla Shesha Reddy ji, our MD Sunil Reddy, our CEO BV Reddy, our CFO Anjana Ganji, our CS Ruchita Malpani, sir. Regards and respect and good afternoon, good morning to everyone, sir. It's almost nearing afternoon, that's why. Sir, I have gone through your annual report the way I could, sir. We've got an overseas plant at Lakeside Dairy in Ubraru in Uganda, sir, which is contributing 5% of our revenues. It's a nice thing that we are becoming an Indian multinational in the dairy business. I really salute your vision for taking our company abroad also, sir, and having good products launched out there, our milk out there, and even good revenues from there, sir. On the Indian front, our total revenues last year about 1,944 crores, and though they were a little less down due to COVID by 9%, the EBITDA was very nice, sir. Had grown by 72% to 2,425 million, that is 242 crores, sir, in last year, and the PAT margin also increased by 153 crores. That shows the margin expansion in the profit, sir, from to 1,260 million, that is 126 crores, from 49.9 crores last year, sir. The ROC is very nice, sir, 25.5%, and ROE 19.1%, sir, very nice, sir. And what I've noted is that you've got 94 chilling plants and 13 plants in India, and your processing capacity about 20 lakh liters per day, which is good, sir. And my query is, what is the revenue in the differentiate margins in the value-added products differently, such cheese or the other products, and are we likely to launch a new product products, sir. Hatsun has launched cakes also, sir. Hatsun Dairy is a South Indian dairy which also has marketing cakes also, sir. Are you likely chocolates and cakes? Are you likely to go into that segment, sir? Because now we got good cash and everything. And I also support the first speaker who was there, sir, Praful Chawda, when he said that the company secretaries do call up speaker members to seek the queries in advance, sir. There was no such call from your company secretary, though the annual report made by her is very colorful and very well tabulated and very pictorial, sir. It's nice to see that annual report. I voted for in my 2 folios with the company, sir. Me and my daughter's folio I've already voted for. The PAT margin was 6.5%. And sir, we are staying in Mumbai. We are residents of Mumbai, sir. How do we get to know your products, sir? Where will we get them, sir? We'd like to know. Or I don't know if you could send some samples also. It will be nice to know, sir. नहीं भेजेगा तो भी चलेगा, भेजेगा तो अच्छा, नहीं भेजेगा तो भी चलेगा. This is the first AGM after the IPO and the first after the silver jubilee, sir. So we wish the company a very, very long, healthy growth for the future. And signing off, Vinod Agarwal from Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We have our last speaker shareholder, Mr. Rakesh Kumar Singh from Pune. Mr. Rakesh Kumar Singh from Pune. So we are through with the list of the speaker shareholder today. Thank you.
Welcome to our annual general meeting. We take pride that ever since we started in 1995, we always laid emphasis on delivering quality products. Our plants are situated in 14 locations to ensure better reach and supply of our products to millions of our consumers every day. In addition to this, we also have a cattle feed plant. We offer an extensive range of products using advanced techniques and state-of-the-art equipment. We will soon be adding exciting products to our product range. We are one of the largest companies in terms of procurement, and we have a processing capacity of 20 lakh liters per day. We rejoice in the fact that more than 1 lakh dairy farmers are associated with us, and we are proud to mold these farmers to make them self-reliant. We have about 100 milk chilling centers and more than 7,000 milk collection centers across the country. We have a strong base of over 450 exclusive parlors and over 5,000 distributors, leading to our availability in over 1 lakh retail outlets. Our real strength lies in the fact that millions of families trust our purity and consume our products on a day-to-day basis. As we dive into another year, we cross another remarkable milestone. We are thrilled to announce that our total income crossed 19,504 million this year. Some excerpts from our chairman's message. We have an excellent management and team who have multiple years of experience in the dairy business. Our numbers speak for us. Our services never came to a halt even during the pandemic because of our team who worked relentlessly towards making delivery of essentials possible. Proactive supply chain and operation planning measures enabled us to limit the impact of COVID-19. Our marketing team consistently works towards establishing a strong brand presence in the retail segment. Our robust HR policies ensure that we recruit, train, and retain talent while being a diverse, inclusive, and socially responsible company. We are a family of 2,551 employees. Our corporate social responsibility initiatives are aimed at providing support for education and vocational skills in the local farming community. We laid the foundation stone for a hostel building in the month of August, which is being funded by us. We have reached a major milestone by being listed on the stock exchange, both NSE and BSE. Our oversubscribed public offering went on to show investor interest in our business model and potential. The year 2021 marks the completion of our 24th year of operations. We are overjoyed as we step into our 25th year, and our commitment is to deliver value to all our investors as we continue to focus on product innovation, quality, expansion, customer satisfaction, and support to the dairy farming community.
So thank you, everyone. I will take a few of the questions, and as a team, Anjan will answer a few of the questions. We have tried to compile all the questions that I've asked. After I finish my questions and Anjan finishes his questions, if there are anything left, we'll get back to you. Regarding one of the questions was regarding the increase in share price before the meeting or after the meeting. With some market scenario, there is nothing that we do as a company or anything as such. I think the market has reacted in a manner for whatever the reasons based on the market. Non-availability of markets in online portal. We are available on certain portals like Spur.
Sorry for the interruption, sir.
Yeah.
Managing Director, sir, would request you to kindly switch on your video, sir. Thank you.
Sorry. Yeah. So I'll also answer the questions about the non-availability of products, which was asked by Mr. Praful Chavda of Attapur, saying that it was not available in Attapur and certain of the online platforms. We also have to balance between our product and profitability and the availability. So certain areas where the margin profiles are very high, if the trade is demanding a lot more of the margin profiles, we try to fight the battle, and that's why we might be a little slower in terms of getting onto the online platforms where the margins are higher, and we are on other platforms where the margins are lower. For example, we are available in the A-grade stores like DMart and areas. So we are trying our best to cover all the areas and keep moving forward as we go forward. R&D, it's a consistent effort that we keep doing in arriving at new flavors, new product SKUs that we do. We broadly classify ourselves into multiple categories that we have. There is a perishable, refrigerated, non-perishable items. Non-perishable meaning that we have at least 6 months shelf life. We have UHT milk, we have flavored milks, we have our ghee, all these things which we keep innovating with new flavors and see if we can get better. We have a lot of SKUs in ice cream because, and we are also trying to do that because the question asked by Mr. Redappa about frozen desserts and about the cakes. We are basically doing a lot of, every year we add a few more SKUs depending on the market requirement and demand, and we continue to grow there. If you look at the roadmap for the next 3 years that we look at it and our CapEx plan, basically we will be going through a mix of inorganic and organic growth. Right now we have enough capacities built on the processing and on the organic growth. We will be expanding our procurement capacities as we go forward to match with our sales requirement that we expect to increase year on year. We maintain a 15-16% CAGR is what we were doing in the past. We think we'll be able to do the same numbers as we go forward. And for that, whatever the volume of sales increases, as a dairy company, we try to match both our procurement and sales. We have enough of capacity in sales now. Now we are only going to be beefing up more of our operational capacity. We are also very actively looking forward for any M&As that we can get. So regarding the question that came to the interim dividend for the shareholders, that is the reason why for the current year we have not declared any interim dividend. We have just gone for a public issue. Anjan will answer the questions on the utilization of the funds. We will have cash. We will be looking forward for acquisitions. And in the coming years, once we have get a more clear picture on the M&A front, we will be able to arrive at our dividend policy for the shareholders. When we come to plant visit for the shareholders, I think Surya Prakash will try to see if we can do it at any one point of time. I do not know much about how do we do it as a public platform. I guess he will go through what the regulations of between SEBI and the stock exchanges is and see how we can manage a plant visit for the shareholders as we go. Regarding funds given to the government, which was asked, we have given during the first wave of COVID 1 crore of rupees to the governments. We gave across the 4 states we operate 25 lakhs each to each of the state governments of southern India, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, AP and Telangana. When we look at the sales LPD for future, like I said earlier, we are looking at that value growth being maintained in like a historic trends of what we've been maintaining as a 15-16% CAGR. That is on a steady state business. Any add-ons that we get due to our M&A and the other such things will maybe accelerate it a little faster and take it bigger. A lot of questions regarding our overseas and Northeast operations expansion. We as a company are normally expanding more contiguously from our operations. That is, right now we have enough gaps to be catered in terms of we have the coastal Karnataka to cover, we have a lot more of areas to be covered in Tamil Nadu, we have a certain amount of areas to be covered in Telangana. In the next 2-3 years, we'll focus on these. We have also entered the state of Maharashtra to start covering. We go to other places, which, for example, like how we are in Africa, because Africa, when we went, we saw that there was a substantial difference in profit margin for the similar business that we were doing. And that is the reason we went to Africa. We are always on the lookout for those. Africa, we are also very careful about the country risk, because Africa is very nice as long as the business go, but there is also a tremendous amount of country risk in terms of if there's any political instability or foreign exchange risk. A lot of those countries look very lucrative on the front of it, but once we enter there, we realize there's a lot of foreign currency risk in terms of A, the value and depreciation of the foreign currency, and B, not having the ability to take the money back from those countries. So it's not only the markets that we have to look at, we have to look at also the other areas. Regarding our margins and our VAPs question that we have asked, yes, our VAP contributes totally around 28% of our revenue. And I think they also contribute, Anjan will give you more in detail about the profit profile that they contribute. They do contribute to a profit profile in a reasonably large manner. We are always looking forward to enhance our growth in our VAPs also. But as a company, we will always are very cautious in terms of we don't expand for the sake of expansion of the top line. We go in tandem with keeping our bottom line into consideration, and that is how we keep expanding. If I have missed any other questions, I'll try to see if Anjan can remind me, and I'll try to explain them further. Also, the questions regarding phase 3 of COVID, I think when we look at it, by God's grace, it looks like COVID is under control. Anjan will also take you through what we have done for the employees, but on the major front, respectfully, the governments of the respective states have done a wonderful job. I think we also conducted our own vaccine drives in our corporate office, our plants, and other areas. But a lot of the places, especially if you look at it as Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, the governments proactively have visited all the plants, ensured that all the employees got vaccinated, and wherever we could, we have also pushed it. I think we have got a large section of our employees have at least finished their first dose of vaccination. A reasonably large percentage has also finished their second dose of vaccination. I think that way we are there. And now I hand over to Anjan to take you to more the specifics of the fund usage question and the employee question and other such questions. If there are any other questions that are remaining, I'll take them after Anjan also, and he will remind me what questions I should answer. Please go ahead, Anjan.
Thank you, sir. So coming to the one of the question on the COVID impact on the top line and EBITDA. So coming to the COVID impact, there is a drop in the top line due to these lockdowns that has been imposed by the government. So there is a 9% drop on the top line compared to the previous year, financial year 2020, on a consolidated level basis. Whereas EBITDA margins got improved by 72% in the financial year 2021. Due to the majorly it is due to the increase in the sales realization and reduction in the raw material prices in the market. However, we don't have any negative impact on the cash flows or on the liquidity due to the COVID-19. And there is one question on the utilization of the funds. So we received, so through OFS, it is a combination of OFS as well as a fresh issue. So we have a fresh issue of 50 crore rupees, out of which we have utilized 32 crores 26 lakhs for repayment of our debts, and another 7.1 crores we have utilized it for purchase of capex products, and remaining 10.6 crores around. So we have utilized it for general corporate purposes. Coming to one of margin profiles that we have discussed between milk and value-added products. Value-added products, we are at 16.9% EBITDA. So we make 16.9% EBITDA compared to 10.7% EBITDA margin on our milk sales. So that is the margin profile. So for financial year 2021, so our VAPs contribute around 27% or of our total revenue. And coming to one of the question on the transportation cost impact. In financial year 2021, we incurred our transportation cost was 5.9% of our total revenue. Whereas in 2020, financial year 2020, it is 5.5%. So there is of our overall revenue that got generated. So there is not much impact. So only 0.4%, that is, there is an increase due to the transportation cost increase that we have received. Coming to the COVID impact on the employees. So yes, the employees, some of the employees got impacted because of the COVID. So their compensation has been given as per their salaries and their family and the service with the company. So based upon that, they have been compensated. So that's, I believe we have answered all the questions. In case any queries are open, request you to write to us on the given email address. So we'll try to respond for further questions. Thank you.
A lot of questions also regarding products availability in Mumbai. We are not there yet. We were there a little earlier, but we are finding it to be differences in cost. We will try our best to be there in Mumbai as soon as possible.
Yeah. One more question was on the employee salary cut. So we have, in COVID-19, we have not done any salary cuts for the employees. So we have only postponed the salary increment by 6 months. So rather than giving the salary increment in April 2019, we gave them in October 2019. That is the only thing that we took. There were no salary cuts that has been given to the employees in financial year 2021 during COVID.
I think Surya Prakash, you can take it over. You're muted, Surya Prakash.
Thank you, Sunil Reddy, sir. Thank you, Mr. Anjan. In case any shareholders who could not join on the question and answer session due to technical reasons, and those shareholders who have not answered are requested to send their queries through email. On the receipt of such email request, the company will send suitable response to them. Now I request Chairman, sir, to please conclude the meeting.
Okay. Now, I would like to authorize Mr. Surya Prakash from the Secretarial Department to conduct the voting procedure and conclude the meeting. The e-voting facility will remain open for the next 15 minutes to enable the members to cast their votes. I once again thank all the shareholders and their valuable comments and suggestions, and also for making it possible to attend today's meeting. I am grateful to all the directors of Dodla Dairy Limited for making it convenient to attend the meeting and for their continued support to the company. Thank you all. Thank you very much, and wish you all the best. With your consent, the board members and I will take leave from you. Thank you very much. We wish all our shareholders to be in a good health and be safe.
Thank you, Chairman, sir.
you.